Hello everyone, and in today's video I will be showing you my morning skincare routine. And I usually don't make a dedicated video, like a separate video on morning and night routine. I usually combine them in one video because most of the time my morning and night routine includes more or less similar products. There is not much difference between the two routine, but this time the routine that I have been following from couple of weeks, my night and morning routine are entirely different. Like the night routine which I will be sharing later, it includes lot of intensive skin treatment product. So this is why my morning routine, I wanted to keep a very simple one and wanted to include lot of skin calming product and of course the sun protection product. So this routine is basically going to be a very calming morning skincare routine. And I have already cleansed my face, and if you have been following me from a while, you all know that I love this Cosrx Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser. My favorite cleanser. I love it because it cleanses face really well. It also helps in reducing the breakout and it does not dry out my skin. And then I move on with my toner, but today I had to put on a pimple patch. Like, I don't know how much it is noticeable on camera. I do have one acne over here, yeah, and I have put on a pimple patch. So I have put on this Some by Me clear spot patch. This is my favorite acne patch. I love it because it sticks to my skin really well. It does not slip off or it does not come off, because most of the time the pimple patches that I use, they often come out, and I usually put on a pimple patch at the last step of my skincare routine, but today I had to put on like right after cleansing, because this acne was leaky acne, you know. I'm sure you must have understood. I don't have to describe everything over here, and I didn't want my rest of the face to get affected by it. So as soon as I cleansed my face, I pet dry my face, I put on this pimple patch. So now I will be putting on the toner, and the toner that I have been using and loving from past couple of weeks, it is the One Thing Centella Asiatica extract. Like this brand launched in India very recently, and the day it got launched I placed my order. I bought this Centella one and the Artemisia one. I actually wanted to try all of their toners, but then I realized I have one face, I cannot put on everything on my face at once, so let's take it slow. So this is the toner I have started using. So when it comes to the ingredient list of this product, it contains only 3 ingredients. Like this one has Centella Asiatica in good concentration, and it is the main ingredient of this toner. And not just this toner, but in fact all the toner from this brand, they mainly use one main ingredient in good concentration, and rest 2-3 ingredients are basically the stabilizer or preservative. And of course, like it does not have any added fragrance, it does not have any essential oil or carrier oil in it, but it does have that natural fragrance from the Centella Asiatica in it. Like if you have ever smelled a paste of green leaves, it often smells, you know, bittery, herbally, green kind. It literally has that typical fragrance in it. Coming to the performance, I definitely love it. It is very calming in nature, and of course it has not irritated my skin. It has been working fabulously. And yeah, so if you are in a lookout for a good quality, pocket friendly, skin calming toner, definitely check this out. So after this toner step, I move on to the serum step, and the serum that I've been using in my morning routine, it is the Purito Centella Unscented Serum. And I have already used up half of this bottle, and I must say it's a fabulous product. Like even though it has that watery gel sort of texture, it is still very lightweight on skin. Like the moment you apply the serum on your skin, it just melts into your skin and doesn't feel like anything you have put on your skin, but it definitely works on calming your skin. Like I have used it multiple times on my red irritated skin and it has always worked. After this calming serum, I put on my eye cream, and I'm using this Klairs Fundamental Nourishing Eye Butter. Again, fragrance fragrance free eye cream, doesn't have any essential oil, has that fluffy airy texture. So if you are someone who wants a nourishing eye cream but you are afraid to use a thick eye cream, and also you don't like fragrance in your eye care product, then this is the product you definitely need to check out. Like, it's not a very magical product, but at the same time, like, until you continue to use it regularly for both night and morning routine, you will see a subtle reduction in your fine line, and your eye area overall looks in a good condition. In the morning, like after all these products, I sometimes use moisturizer, I sometimes don't use moisturizer. It totally depends on my mood, but I ensure that I do put on a sunscreen in the morning. And recently I've been testing out this Purito Daily Go-To Sunscreen with SPF 50+ PA4+. This is a very new launch from the brand. At the moment it is only available for pre-order on some of the Korean website. It is not available in India at the moment, but since I'm testing this out, I just wanted to mention it in this video. Always use 2-3 finger quantity for your face and neck, and it is 100% fragrance free, and it does not leave any white cast on the skin. Feels super comfortable on the skin, and it has that lotiony, watery kind of texture, but it still feels quite moisturizing, and it gives that dewy finish on my skin. And because of this finish and how it feels on my skin, I feel that all skin types can use it except for the oily skin. Oily skin might find it little sticky, and I feel that oily skin can give this product a try during the winter time. So this new sunscreen from Purito is the hybrid sunscreen, and by hybrid I mean that it contains both mineral and chemical filter in it. If you had noticed, I did put this sunscreen on my eye area as well, but it did not sting my eyes, because there are few sunscreen which, if by mistake goes even somewhere closer to your eyes sting or they turn watery. But this is like super comfortable even around eyes. So overall, a fabulous sunscreen. Like, so far I have been loving it. I have used it for a week or so, and I hope Beauty Ban or Macaroon, they launch it soon in India. Like, I'm telling you, this is a very recent launch. They launched it last week only. So since you should be using sunscreen and you all cannot get your hands on this at the moment, I will suggest that you do check out the Avène UV protector with SPF 30 PA+++. That's another sunscreen that I have been loving at the moment, and that sunscreen is just perfect for the daily usage. And also I think it is in stock on Nykaa, so this is why I'm mentioning it. Like, there are many sunscreen that I love, but most of the time they are out of stock on different websites, so do check out that Avène sunscreen. So before I finish off this routine, I like to put on my tinted lip balm, and I really love this Innisfree My Lip Balm in Wedding Peach shade. It is moisturizing, and also it leaves that beautiful pinkish tint on your lip. So that's all for this morning routine video, and I will see you next in my nighttime skincare routine. Bye.